Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a new slide or a card to your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your account on Gamma AI, click into Gamma's to the left to access the list of all of your presentations and click into your presentation here. Let me go with that one here. So guys, to add a new card, what you want to do is either scroll to the very bottom of your presentation, hover your mouse over that area below the lowermost card or slide and select Add Blank Card. Option number one. Option number two would be to use that overview of your slides here to the left, like on Google Slides or PowerPoint presentations, and click into plus new card here. And that is going to add a card to your presentation, and you can move that cards or slides position here and make it, for example, the new slide number 8 here. Let me scroll up a bit. There you go. There it is. And now we can fill it with content here. A title, heading, with image blocks, content blocks, text boxes, graphs, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.